Let's take another look at determining the domain of a function. We know that domain values are our x values, and we're trying to avoid anything that's going to give us a solution that's not a real number. So we're avoiding division by 0. Okay, we can't do anything that looks like this, and we can't do any even roots of negative numbers, so no square roots of negative numbers. Okay, to begin with, I look at this problem and I see that there are no square roots, so I can rule that section out at all. But I do have division, so I need to make sure that x squared minus 2x minus 3 cannot equal 0. So I need to see when that actually happens, when this problem would be equal to 0. To do that, I need to factor this quadratic equation. I'm going to solve by doing my a times c, and 1 times negative 3 gets me negative 3. I need the factors of negative 3 that add up to this middle term, to negative 2. That's going to be 1 and negative 3. So my problem factors to x plus 1 and x minus 3. So I set both of these equal to 0 so I can figure out when x would be equal to 0 and rule those out for my domain values. So I solve this one by subtracting 1 from both sides, and I see that x equals negative 1. I solve this one by adding 3 to both sides, and I can see that x equals 3. So this is when I'm not allowed to have these kind of domain values. So let's write my interval for my domain excluding those. So our domain value is going to go from negative infinity to negative 1. We're not going to include negative 1 because that value is not allowed. And then we also need to join it with, we start again at negative 1. Okay, so anything past negative 1 up to 3, not including 3 because 3 is excluded from our domain. And then again, this time from 3 all the way to positive infinity this time.